Hey everybody, we are at Urban Wood with top chef Brian Malarkey, who owns Urban Sea and Anime. And Brian is sitting 6 feet away. I just asked him to please remove his mask. So hang on, I'm gonna switch the camera over. How do you switch the camera? Oh, here we go.
The reveal.
Woo-oo-oo!
You ever see a mask removed like that before?
I love it. Sexy, sexy. So tell us how you're doing everything. Rocking and rolling.
We're super excited. It's been 4 months almost to the day that we closed this beautiful Urban Wood, and I thought we were going to take a couple weeks off. Never in my life, 4 months. Just a few days ago, they shut down in-room dining or in-house dining. So thankfully, Urban Wood has this amazing, magical garden of a patio right here. We're sitting outside, al fresco right now. Beautiful time of year to be outside, enjoying a great little menu. You're gonna see some of our staff from the eyes up that we haven't seen in a real long time.
And they look amazing, and they're doing a great job.
Don't they though? Don't they though? So I'm just so excited to have guests in here again. It's just really been a sad experience coming to check out the restaurant once a week and see it empty, and to have it back to life and stuff. This place is a special, special place. I'm so thankful you're here, your guests are here, and all these people are here to share in this amazing food, the great food and cocktails and wine. And if you don't feel like coming and hanging out Urban Wood, like I don't know why you wouldn't, but if you don't, you can now get Urban Wood to go.
Tell us about that.
Wednesday through Sunday, you get the full menu, except the crudos. We don't think those travel too well. So you can just go on to urbanwood.com, order the food. You can have it delivered, or you can pick it up right here. I personally hand out all of the to-go food.
Wow.
You wouldn't know it was me because I'm wearing a mask, and sometimes I have long hair.
Top chef. That's pretty cool. And tell us what's going on in Encinitas.
And Encinitas also, well, Encinitas is backwards, so it's a little sad up there right now because we were having a great in-house dining program for about the last 3 weeks, and the town had come out to support it. It was really full, a lot of fun, and we were doing everything safe and following the rules, and nobody was in harm's way. And then other people kind of didn't do the rules properly, causing things to turn wrong. So now we've had to cancel in-house dining there. Takeout only Wednesday through Sunday also. Great menu. But Christopher Puffer.
We love the puffer. We love the puffer.
That bald man with a big Japanese.
With all those crazy accents.
Oh yeah, I don't even know which one that is.
I know. I think it's
Ask him
just
about Dimitri.
Oh,
right?
I'm gonna have him do Dimitri tonight.
Oh,
Okay.
yes,
All right.
Dimitri's
Dimitri will be
my
at the
favorite.
table.
Dimitri normally only comes out when we travel on the road together.
Okay, Dimitri.
But Dimitri's here, though. And so
I love
we
it.
are doing that, and it's going to be great. And we're going to build a big patio back there. Puffer does all the designs.
He was talking
He's
about
gonna
that.
build a patio out there, working with the city of Encinitas. Mayor Faulkner said San Diego, let's put it together. Encinitas is doing a great job also. It's just, we've got to get that done. And then anime is just kind of a question mark. But if you
There were some little
Have you
hints
heard
that
about anime?
he told me a couple little
Yeah.
secrets earlier.
So-
Talk about anime.
We currently have partnered with San Diego's first James Beard Award winner. All right.
Whoa.
Now, he didn't win it here, so that's a technicality. But he is here, and he is partnered with Puff and I, and he is changing the menu at Anime to be bright and light and happy and so fun. It was already good, but we just tweaked it up a notch, right? A little bit more San Diego, and we're going to soon be doing Anime Street Takeout.
I
So
love
a
that
little street
idea.
version of that.
Okay.
And we're gonna have it's really good. That's what I can say. And there's a special, another little pop-up that we kind of talk about. But Nate Appleman has this concept he's been working on a long time. And I don't know if you heard about the ghost kitchens, the commissary kitchens.
Yes.
They run multiple concepts out of the same venue. Stay tuned.
Whoa.
Puff and Malarkey have partnered together to do some spectacular things.
That's pretty awesome.
So I did all of that without even taking a breath.
I know, I love that. And now, tell us about some of
not
the things
excited
you
about it
did
at all.
on your break, because you taught me how to make spring rolls. I know, honey, do I make
She
spring
makes
rolls?
spring rolls out of everything.
I make them all the time.
Since you're-
I always say Chef Brian Malarkey taught me how to do this on Kitchens for Good.
Yep, Kitchens for Good.
That was fun.
That was a lot of fun. We are doing a lot of online cooking classes. I did a partnership with Brian Maltagio. We did an online cooking class. You know, I've kind of found a new niche in the world, and that's corporate cooking classes.
Oh.
Either their staff or their customers or these things, and so you can either get the items, the grocery list delivered to your house that we're shipping out ourselves, or you can get the ingredient list, and then you cook live with me, and we go through recipes, and we tell stories, and
love
we
it.
laugh, and we drink, and we lie, and we laugh some more.
I think it's really cool when you're in your own kitchen at home. I think it's kind of a cool concept to have musicians, chefs, actors, our nighttime host on TV all doing stuff from home. It's way more intimate. You know, we get to see the real you, behind the scenes.
My kids run through
I know, I love that. Well, we're super happy to be here and want everybody to know it's safe to come out and dine. Super, super safe.
Very safe. It is, and we have plenty of room here, open air, great food. The staff was clean and organized before, and they're clean and organized now.
Yeah.
So I do have something I want to end this with. All right. So a chef friend of mine said, Malarkey, if we get through this, he goes, look back in time. In 1918, the Spanish flu decimated the world, really turned things upside down, really messed things up. And it took them a little while to get it under control and get things back on track. But after that came the Roaring '20s, the greatest party the world has ever seen. So I'm inviting all of you to come join me in the Roaring '20s Part 2. Right here
love
in
it.
San Diego and across the world, my friends.
That is fantastic. Chef Brian Malarkey of Top Chef, and name some of your restaurants so everybody knows.
Urban Wood, Urban Sea, Urban Eatery, Urban Ranch.
The Wrap Place. I love that. What about the wrap?
And then we have Anime. Yep.
See.
I was not going to talk about those.
Okay.
Some things did really good through this little break.
Didn't even mention it. But you're fantastic. We love what you do for San Diego. I remember you when you came to Ocean Air with Mike Mitchell, and that's where I met Puffer a bajillion years ago. Best crab cake I've ever had in my life.
Pretty good.
Best damn crab cake ever. So thank you for going on Facebook Live, and I will upload this and put it on YouTube and share it with you.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Take care. Thank you.